It was also used for scenes from Pirates of the Caribbean, Curse of the Black Pearl, with Johnny Depp, Orlando Bloom, and Keira Knightley, as well as scenes from the second film, Dead Man's Chest, which filmed right in that courtyard where you'll see those cranes, those mini cranes are sitting right now. And on your left, you'll see a suburban house that doesn't quite fit in with Little Europe. That's our Home and Family set. That's a daytime Emmy-nominated talk show that airs on the Hallmark Channel, hosted by Mark Steinis and Debbie Metanopoulos. Right now, though, we are going to get to head inside of a soundstage. This is Soundstage 50. It's the only two-story soundstage on the lot. They shot an episode of Bones in here on Fox.
Yeah, I care about the
That's him. Right over there.
Now this is what we call a hot set, so just remember to remain seated so we don't disturb anything on set here. The cast and crew are on break. It has been dressed up to look like... Sorry guys, a little California trip. That happens every time. Nothing to worry about, we should be okay. Okay, this might be a big one. Hold on everyone. Where's that second story I was telling you about? Cover those live wires, cover two. We got flames up here by car one. The train incoming. At least the water pipe didn't break. Oh no. Congratulations, you guys just survived the California earthquake. Well, crazy, I'm all shaking out after that. That's a large-scale mechanical effect. We built big disaster.